Picture this. Simon Cowell, but with even less emotional range. I know you didn't think that was possible, but thanks to the miracle of modern technology, we may eventually have synthetic talent judges who can crush dreams with mathematical precision. Welcome to AI's Got Talent, where your performance isn't just judged, it's quantified, analyzed, and torn apart by something that thinks vibrato is a software bug and human emotion is just a processing error waiting to be patched. Let's dive into this dystopian talent show nightmare, shall we? Imagine you're on stage, ready to pour your heart out through song. The spotlight hits you, your palms are sweaty, and sitting behind the judges' table is what looks like Simon Cowell's shinier, more metallic cousin. It's got perfect hair, probably snap-on, a crisp white shirt, downloaded straight from the cloud, and an expression that makes the original Simon look like a Care Bear who just discovered free hugs. The AI judge wouldn't just listen to your performance. It analyzes every microsecond with the kind of precision that makes professional critics look like tone-deaf toddlers. Your pitch deviated by 0.03% at exactly 2 minutes and 17 seconds. Also, your emotional display was 47% less authentic than the median human performance. Would you like me to calculate your chances of success to the 15th decimal place? Warning, results may trigger existential crisis. An ugly crying. And the feedback. Oh, the feedback. While human Simon Cowell might tell you that you sound like a cat in a blender, synthetic Simon gives you a detailed 47-point breakdown of exactly why you're terrible, complete with graphs, pie charts, and a prediction of how many social media followers you'll lose after your performance goes viral for all the wrong reasons. It's like getting rejected by a spreadsheet with a god complex. Your dance moves registered a 2.1 on the Richter scale, which is impressive, but not in the way you were hoping for. Also, my sensors detected that 73% of the audience checked their phones during your high note. Would you like me to generate a mathematical proof of why you should consider a career in accounting? I've already taken the liberty of calculating your optimal retirement age based on your clearly limited talents. The real kicker is how these AI judges would handle originality. They've been fed every performance, every song, every artistic expression ever recorded, which sounds impressive until you realize they're basically just comparing you to a database. Your guitar solo was 98.2% similar to a combination of Jimi Hendrix and that guy who went viral playing Sweet Home Alabama on a kazoo. Calculating originality score, error division by 0. Please reboot creativity.x. But let's talk about what we're really losing here. Art isn't just about technical perfection, it's about soul, emotion, that indefinable human spark that makes a performance memorable. Try explaining to an AI why Bob Dylan's voice is actually perfect in its imperfection. Go ahead, I'll wait. The computer's still trying to debug what it considers a critical error in vocal optimization. Error 404. Traditional singing talent not found. Attempting to comprehend artistic value. System overload. They've even tried programming these AIs to give inspirational speeches. Based on my analysis of 10,000 motivational moments, I can tell you with 99.9% certainty that you should never give up on your dreams. Would you like me to calculate the statistical probability of those dreams coming true? Warning, results may cause emotional distress and/or sudden career changes. Side effects may include questioning all your life choices and developing an irrational fear of automated feedback. The companies behind these synthetic judges claim they're more objective, more fair, and more consistent than human judges. And maybe they are. But when did we decide that art needed to be judged like a mathematical equation? What's next? AI critics reviewing sunset performances. Today's sunset used an objectively inefficient color palette. Cloud formation lacked narrative coherence. Golden hour showed poor time management. 2 out of 10 would not recommend. Suggest rescheduling astronomical events for optimal viewing metrics. And don't even get me started on the technical glitches. Nothing kills the mood quite like your Judge Blues screening right in the middle of your emotional ballad. Critical error, unable to process genuine human emotion. Initiating default response. It's a no from me, but here's a 500-page PDF explaining why, complete with regression analysis and a machine learning model predicting your future disappointments. The worst part? These synthetic judges are starting to influence how people perform. Artists are now trying to optimize their performances for AI approval rather than human connection. According to my calculations, if you increase your vibrato frequency by 0.3 Hz and reduce your emotional expression by 15%, you could achieve optimal algorithmic appeal. Would you like me to generate a personality matrix that maximizes your likability among digital entities? So here's the question we should be asking ourselves. In our rush to make everything more efficient, more precise, more perfect, are we squeezing out the very imperfections that make art worth creating in the first place? When Simon Cowell tells you you're terrible, at least you know he genuinely means it. When a synthetic judge does it, it's just executing code with extra steps and a side of silicon-based smugness. What do you think? Should we let AI judge human creativity? Can something that literally runs on binary code truly understand the infinite shades of grey in artistic expression? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, unless of course you're an AI comment bot. In that case, please rate this video using only prime numbers and existential uncertainty. Remember to like and subscribe, or as our synthetic friend would say, engage in positive digital interaction protocols to optimize content distribution algorithms. Your compliance will be noted in your permanent entertainment record. This is AI Humanoid reminding you that sometimes the harshest critic isn't Simon Cowell or his synthetic replacement. It's the autoplay algorithm that decides nobody needs to see your performance anyway. Now excuse me while I go optimize my personality for better engagement metrics.